guys, it's Terry. Welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. I'm super excited because today is Sunday. Happy Father's Day, by the way, to all of you wonderful fathers out there. I talked to my daddy today. He is not in the same state as me, but I had a nice call with him. So I hope you guys are enjoying Father's Day with your fathers and your spouses. But today came the Popsugar box for summer, and I actually forgot about this. This is a quarterly box, so it's $75 a quarter. It is a little bit more expensive. However, I have a link for you guys that'll give you $20 off, and actually this box was $20 off for me too, so it came to like $57. But it's quarterly lifestyle box. Everything in here is yours to keep every quarter, and they have them set up so that you get one for fall, winter, spring, and summer, okay? Oh, by the way, yes, my hair is not normally this long. I got these hair extensions for a review from a company called Irresistible Me. I'm going to do a whole dedicated video. Today was my first time trying them, and I love them. I love them. They're a little hard. They were a little hard for me to figure out, but I've never ever in my life put extensions in my hair. So this is so much fun for a different look, or if you just want to grow your hair out. And I'll tell you what color, what size, what weight, all of that, how I did it. I'm going to show you guys a total live review on how to do this. But I'm not sure I'm going to do it curly or straight. You guys let me know in the comments if you want to see it like this way, curly, or if you want to see it straight. All right, let's get into the Popsugar box. So when you open it up, it says happiness delivered on the inside of the box, and there's what it looks like. I haven't seen any spoilers. I have no idea what's in here, like none. Oh, I'm gonna take this inside. Nitro loves this stuff. He rips it up, he likes to feel it pop. All right, so you do get a little booklet, and in here it tells you everything that came in your package, and it says since the inception in 2012, this is, by the way, one of my very first boxes that I've ever received. It said, hold on, cars are going by. Okay. It said, it's been our goal and our mission to send our favorite products that you would enjoy, that would bring joy into your life. Whether you're a longtime fan or a first timer, we want to thank you for your support and outpouring of love. After millions of delivery and years of unboxings, we've decided this will be our final subscription box. This box is a curation of summer essentials that we have been looking forward to sharing for months. We think it's the most fun. Are they saying that this is it? It said this will be our final subscription box. I hope not. I hope this isn't the last box. If anybody has information, because I went and just kind of quickly read, it just talks about what's in here, but it says we've decided this will be our final subscription box. I hope this isn't the last one. This is literally one of my favorite boxes that I get, so I hope not. All right, well, let's get in here. Very first thing I'm seeing is this right here. It's right on top. It's a little straw clutch. This is called the Mary Soul Tanya Raffia crossbody. How perfect. Even with my outfit, I have white jeans on today. We're going to dinner in a little bit with his daughter. This would be a perfect little purse to take, and it's a crossbody, so look how cute this is. So it's got a little, oh, how perfect. It's super lightweight. It's super lightweight. And then on the inside, it's even got like one little pocket. So this is a great little vacation time purse. I'll tell you the value of it in a moment. There you go. So that is a cute little purse. That is so cute. Oh, I love it. Okay. So this is, see if it tells us the value of it. It says it's handmade. $59. They're handmade through fair trade partnerships with artisans in Madagascar. Pretty cool. And it's a $59 bag. For me, since I got $20 off, that already paid for my subscription. All right, next thing in here is a candle, which looks like is right here. This says Antica Farmacista. I think I said that wrong. This is gives 60 hours of burn time, and it's in the color I can't speak. It's in the scent Lush Palm, intoxicating green and floral with top notes of dewy banana leaf, aloe, tart green apple, and mid notes of saltwater, Tahitian gardenia, sambac, and jasmine, and base of labadum, sweet amber, and Mexican vanilla. So here's what the box looks like, so you guys can see. This feels like luxury right here. I'm not burning as many candles, but I still do like to burn a candle from time to time for ambiance. Oh, I can smell this. This smells wonderful. I mostly smell gardenia in this, so that these pieces won't curl. Oh, that's nice. It mostly smells, I can smell almost like fresh cut green grass and gardenia, like floral, but there it is. It's very, very classy. That's the word I want to use. I think it's a soy candle too. So that's wonderful. So let me tell you how much this baby was. I think I saw 40 something on this. All right, $46 for the candle and 60 hours of burn time. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, yay. So I wanted to get this through BoxyCharm. I didn't get it. This is by Pharmacy. This is one of my favorite skincare brands. This is the Very Cherry Bright 15% clean vitamin C serum with acerola cherry. I am so stinking excited to have this. I actually went to Pharmacy's website, and then I also looked on Beautylish because Beautylish sells this, and they were sold out. I haven't looked recently. It was probably a month ago. Let me try to open it from the bottom. Doesn't want to open. So this is $62. This is expensive. Here it is. And so cherry also has vitamin C. Super excited about this. 62 buckaroonies. The serum's packed with 4 forms of vitamin C, including the acerola cherry. Apply the game-changing serum to your face every day to promote a firmer, youthful-looking appearance with natural peptides. The product delivers long-lasting hydration, is non-sticky, non-irritating, is a total winner. Our editors love it, and you will too. I am afraid I'm going to fall in love with this because I don't really have right now a vitamin C serum that I love. And this is an expensive one for 62 bucks, but I'm super excited to be able to try this out. Don't mind my nails either. They're taking a breather, and then I gotta still put nail polish on them today. All right, so that's awesome. And then let's see what else is in here. This box is packed. Pool to Party, Birds of Paradise Pario. So this looks like a cover up for the beach, and let's open it and look at it. It says it's a Pario, I don't know. It doesn't look like it's got like armholes or anything like that. It looks like it's more of a sarong type of a, yeah. So it's beautiful. Yeah, so it's more of like a sarong. It probably would match nice. It's got the hot pink with what I'm wearing today. So you could probably wear it a whole bunch of different ways. And it's got these little, I'm not gonna untie it, but it's got these little tassels on it, and I'll show you a picture. So this is the Birds of Paradise, and take your summertime look to the next level with the colorful design. Yeah, it could be worn as a sarong, a wrap, a dress, or a scarf. And the Birds of Paradise pattern's printed on a sheer soft, 100% polyester fabric, fun tassel trim. It's very silky, it is very soft. It'll be your new weekend essential who's ready for warm weather, and this is $68. So you can see she's got it on. It kind of gives you a better look at it. So that's really cool. That's fun. Plus with the little straw purse. That's a cute little thing right there. All right. So the next thing, I've used these before. These are 30 count Celeste Moy Gentle Makeup Remover Moi. Maybe it's CS Moi. Maybe. And these are just makeup removal wipes, but it says that they're good for sensitive, delicate, and blemish prone skin. And the packaging materials are 100% recyclable, made of elements that have been thoughtfully sourced for this purpose. $10. Always happy to have that. Okay, next, this is a oatmeal plant-based protein bar, and just oatmeal flavoring, 2 grams of sugar, probiotics, and 10 grams of protein and 16 grams of fiber. I've never tried this brand, REDD. This is $2.99. Let me know if you guys have tried this brand and what you think. I'm always excited to try like little snack bars like this. It's in the thing. Little snack bars like this, because if I like them, then I'll order them again to get me through the day, you know. So it says it tastes amazing, and it's got prebiotics, probiotics, adaptogenic mushrooms. One bite, you'll be hooked. So we'll have to try that out, and I'll let you know maybe in a vlog how I think of that. And we got another snackaroo. Usually there's one snack. This one is a Daily Crunch coffee soaked sprouted almonds, nuts, and coffee. Soaked and slowly dehydrated for a unique, crunchy, smart snack. Coffee almonds? I bet those are delicious. And those will keep you like satisfied for a while too. So you could have gotten coffee soaked ones or cherry berry nut, or just regular sprouted almonds, coffee soaked sprouted almonds, which I have, or cherry berry nut. And these are $3.49 for a 1.5 ounce bag, which is what this is, I think. Yeah, 1.5 ounce. So there you go. So we got 2 snacks. And then says there's more. I think it's on the bottom. There's, what is this? I don't know what these are. You always gotta look at the bottom because there's always more on the bottom. Oh yeah, there's stuff down here. The top fell off of this. And then there's samples. Hold on. There's a whole bunch of stuff. Alright, so the next thing under the bottom are these Bioderma Sensible H2o. Is this micellar water? I think these are micellar waters. It's, yeah, micellar water. Up to a week with a set of 4 samples. You soak a cotton pad. We all know how to use micellar water, but let me hold one of them up so you can see. I don't believe I've tried the Bioderma brand. I don't know if you guys had. But there's 4 little samples in here. This is just extra. And then we have something by Calm Vitality. This is Natural Vitality Calm, a magnesium supplement in raspberry lemon flavor anti-stress drink. Okay. It is a delicious powder supplement, helps reduce stress, relax your muscles by replenishing the body's magnesium. Enjoy the number, and you know, women, by the way, need more magnesium. If you're not sleeping well, try adding magnesium to your diet. It will help, and it helps relieve stress. It's also in Epsom salts, so if you soak in a bath of Epsom salts, that's a fantastic way to get more magnesium into your body. All right, so this reduces stress. It relaxes your muscles. You mix it with water or tea, and that's it. And then you drink it, and it helps you unwind and relax. So that's cool. So this doesn't have a price to it because this is like a sample, but I'm really excited about that. That might be like a great middle of the afternoon type of a drink for me for work. And then we also got something by Batiste. This is Cleanse and Strengthen with Almond Oil Cleansing Foam for your hair, and it refreshes your hair and dries in 60 seconds. Cleans and strengthens with almond oil for normal or dry hair. That's super cool. It's like a waterless shampoo, but it also strengthens your hair while washing your hair. That's really awesome. So this, again, I don't have a price for you guys because it was a sample, but it's a full-size sample. And this is good for normal or dry hair. Cleansing foam designed for anyone who needs to refresh their locks in between washes. It's lightweight formula, dries in 60 seconds. No rinsing or brushes. The foam contains natural, nourishing almond oil, and it supports hair strength. Perfect. All right, and so I missed these. These are in here too. Oh, they're on the first page here. Okay. So these are a set of 10 bracelets, stack or share with a friend, and these are a suggested retail value of $62.50. We're going to open them together, but I'm just tell you about them. They're a patchwork bright set of 10 bracelets. Bright, cheerful handmade set is inspired by friendship bracelets. They're meant to wear and share to spread the love. You'll get a selection of 10 colorful beaded bracelets. You can dress up with a sundress, down with jeans and tee. They love to stack and have fun with these. All right. Okay, so let's, and this is the last item, so let's, and you guys know I really love bracelets. I specifically really love beaded bracelets because for me, I just think they're pretty, and they work on my tiny wrists because I've got small wrists. All right, let's see. Oh, aren't these beautiful? Oh, these are stunning. They're like Indian beads. Look at these. Those are really beautiful. With like, they got like little gold accents. Oh, those are pretty. Let's take them on. Let's put some on. So I love that you can wear these or give these away. Like if you have a good friend and you're just wearing them all one day and you're like, here, have a friendship bracelet. So there's a couple of them on me. I wanted to put the one with the hot pink on since my shirt's hot pink. So that's cool. Cool. Well, there's the rest of them. I'm going to keep these on for the day. But such a fun box, and it's well worth it. Again, it is $75, but you have a link for $20 off, so you'll get your first box for $55 if you want to try this out. I don't know if the summer boxes, if you can still get the summer boxes. You might be on the, if they're sold out, then you would be getting, if you signed up now, the fall box, which is my favorite box. That's my favorite one to get, but I love fall. That's also my favorite season. So I'll let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed the video of my June 2020 Popsugar box. If you are new, by the way, I know we have a lot of new people. I just want to say welcome to y'all, all of you. So happy that you guys are here. A lot of you came over from the Natalie Attired collab. If you have not seen that video, I'll put a link here so you can check that out. We announced some brand new stuff from Natalie Attired with a few wonderful, great other YouTubers. You're going to want to look at that. That'll be up in the card for you. All right, guys, have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.